Statement of the hypotheses. Hypotheses are stated as probable answers to your questions. In other words, the hypotheses are the researcher's predictions for solving the study problem. Well-stated hypotheses should be written in clear, precise terms, offer adequate explanations for the problems they propose to explain, be testable, be stated before starting collecting data to avoid bias in research results. Ways of stating hypotheses. A. Directional hypotheses. Here the researcher has reasons that made her believe that certain characteristics are higher or lower than other characteristics. For example, students taught by method A in reading are higher achievers than students taught by method B. Usually one-tailed test is used to accept or reject the directional hypotheses. More detailed information about testing hypotheses will be discussed later. B. Non-directional hypotheses. Here the researcher has some reasons to believe that there are some differences between the two methods. So, students taught by method A will show either more or less achievement in reading than those taught by method B. A two-tailed test is used to accept or reject this type of hypotheses. C. The null hypotheses, HO. This type of hypothesis is stated as follows. There is no difference between method A and method B in reading achievement of the populations being compared. This means that method A is equal to method B, A equals B. If the HO cannot be rejected as a result of a statistical test, this means that it has been proven that the hypothesis is true. If we accept the HO, we say we do not reject it. A one-tailed statistical test is used to accept or reject the HO. If not using a computer program for calculations, then the rule is that reject the HO if the calculated test value is greater than the critical tabulated value. Otherwise accept the HO. More information will be offered later.